Let's try Cantonese WAMPEE. I don't know what that means. I don't know if that's Cantonese for something. If you guys know, let me know in the comments. But I saw this at my local Asian supermarket and I had to give it a try. It smells like an old piece of wood, almost like you shouldn't eat it. And I don't know if you're supposed to eat this raw or if you're supposed to cook with this. It's a bit sour, it's a bit tart, and almost sweet at the same time. I don't know what these green seeds are. Okay, you can't eat those. And the flesh kind of looks like lychee. A lot of seeds in this little thing. I don't know if you're supposed to eat the skin or not. It reminds me of a sour lychee. WAMPEE. It's called WAMPEE.
Urdu mein kya?
I don't know. I don't even know what this is. This is my first time seeing this.
Even look like मुझे लग रहा है जैसे पाकिस्तान में बेर होते हैं.
Bear? What's bear?
बेर कहते हैं हम तो. I don't know कि वहाँ खाओ.
Yeah, go.
अच्छा है. Not bad. थोड़ा सावर है. पहले ऐसे लग रहा था खजूर है, डेट.
Yeah, I thought so too.
है ना? टेस्ट आ रहा है डेट का भी.
I thought it was more like lychee.
Take care.
Okay, I'm giving WAMPEEs, WAMPEE. I'm giving WAMPEEs a 7.3 out of 10. It's not bad.